Okay, I'm making this video to show you how the electric company has put these devices, this device right here and this device right here, on my air conditioning units, so they can control when they're allowed to come on and off right now. I don't know if you can see, but there's a yellow light on in there, and or it's green, my eyes, it's green, and it turns to red when they have turned it off. So I do have control over my air conditioning units right now. And as you can see, this one is on and this one is off. The downstairs is off currently and the upstairs is on. So my upstairs must be 80-81 degrees is where I have it set to kick on. So the first thing you need to know about your air conditioning units is the air is pulled in around the outside of them. So you need to, every 3 months, hose these out. Keep them clean, hose them out so all the dust and everything is not in your air conditioning units. Because if the air conditioning unit cannot pull air freely through the machine, it will run and run and run and not be efficient, and you will not get maximum cooling, etc., 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 which uses more electricity and will more than quadruple the cost to run your air conditioning. So these units must be very, very clean. As you can see, mine are clean. I even dust the top of them, and I think about this about every 3 months, and I come out with just a garden hose and I completely hose them out and wash all dirt, dust, leaves, everything out of them. Okay, the next thing, number 2, the thing you must do is not go cheap on your air filters. The air filters play a very big part in your air conditioning and heating system. Not only can you improve the air quality inside your home than outside, but you do not want to let any dirt get through your system and up into the fan on your blower. Now, you can't get to your blower on most systems, and you will have to call out a heating air guy if you think you've had bad filters in your system and do not care about how much dust comes through your house. I guarantee you there is dirt in your blower system and dirt caked onto the fan blades themselves in your blower, and therefore the blower is not moving air through your home properly, which reduces the efficiency of your system and will make your electricity bill go sky high. So these filters, the bigger one is for my upstairs unit and the smaller one is for my downstairs unit. And these filters are top of the line. I change them every 3 to 4 months. And they are about $20 a piece, but it is definitely worth it. And these filters are actually so good they will even remove smog out of the air. They will take spores, mold spores, all dust. We rarely have to dust the house so often because these filters are taking all of the dirt out of the air. They will even take viruses out of the air, bacteria out of the air. So like I tell my wife, if you do not have good air filters in your house, you are the air filter. If you do not have an air filter, you are the air filter. So these actually will take smog out of the air. So that's the next thing, is make sure your filters are very clean, and buy the most expensive ones, the best ones that you can afford to keep the dirt out of your home and out of your blower system for your heating and air. And this is the downstairs thermostat in my home, and it is 79 degrees in my home. We're out in the desert, so this is good. and it is set to come on when it reaches 80. It's actually feeling kind of cool right now, so I'm actually going to kick this up to 80 degrees. And it is set for the air conditioner to come on at 80 now. And sometimes we run, I'll turn this on. Sometimes if we're having smoggy days or fire, smoke outside, or just the air feels weird in the house, we just turn the fans on. And here's the downstairs unit. I've opened it up, and we just filter our air. So we know we have nice, clean air to breathe in our home. And these are very clean right now. I just replaced them the 1st of July of this year. And depending on the conditions, these filters will go about 4 months. Okay, I'm upstairs coming down the hall. And here's the upstairs thermostat, and it's reading, the house is 79, and the air conditioner is on, so I'm actually going to click this off to 80. It does feel cool up here. And this is where this one resides, in the ceiling of our home, and pulls the air in there. So number one so far is to clean the outside compressors. Hose them out really good. Make sure not to bend all those little metal things with a power hose or something. Just, be careful and hose them out. Number two is to change your filters and put the best filters in you can do, so you breathe clean air in your house. We have cats in here and dogs and everything, and our air is clean. Number three was, I touched on briefly, if you think you have let dirt for many years go through your system, your blower that blows hot air in the winter and blows the cold air in the summer, your blower definitely has dirt in it and is not running to efficiency. Oh, the air just turned off. And you are getting a lot of cost. It is worth paying that air conditioner guy to come out and clean out your blower and clean out your blower blades and your fan blades, so you have the best air circulation. A lot of people's are very dirty. I take apart their computers. I see the dust on the on the fans and everything in their computers. So if it's in their computers, it's in their system. And then number four, you also have to have a air conditioning tech come out. So pay him or her to clean your blower and also pressure test your lines, your copper lines running the refrigerant or whatever it is. I'm not a computer guy, but if that is low or you have a slight leak in that or whatever, you will not be getting the maximum cooling either. So you need your system to run as efficiently as possible, and it will save you hundreds of dollars a month if you have to run them in the summertime. So that's it, and take care, everyone.